Introducing the fierce RGB gaming PC that features Intel Core i5 9400F processor at 4.1 GHz max speed to bring your system an intensive performance to tackle every single task perfectly. Also, the 9400F features all of Intel's latest technology to provide you with the best computing experience. Whether you are gaming, streaming or creating content, the desktop is paired up with the latest RTX 1650 video memory card that enables your system to show you the immersive graphics result that you will never disappointed. As there is 4 GB of card on board capacity, you will be able to run all the latest and most popular titles in beautiful 1080p, driven by the Windows 10 home operating system that comes with all essential softwares to protect your device against virus and misbehaving applications which can be harmful later. As far as RAM concerns, the fierce gaming desktop features 16 GB 3000 MHz memory that is good enough for smooth and relaxed browsing, gaming, and anything else you want to do without any lagging. From storage point of view, it is equipped with the dedicated 240 GB solid-state drive as an additional space to store your favorite things like games, songs, movies, personal documents into your one directory. Final conclusion: the desktop is very stunning regarding their specifications, as the CPU offers good speed to run your favorite games in smooth performance. Meanwhile, the gaming desktop does the great combination of GPU is the NVIDIA's latest RTX 1650 that will good enough for play games at good frame rates without any distraction. I will highly recommend buying this computer.